another Zara haul as promised. So this is a part 2 of a video which I did previously on my channel. So if you are new here and if you haven't watched that video here, I will link the video in the description box below for you to look at after you watch this video. Now if you watched the previous video, you will know that I'm obsessed with Zara, mainly because of the well-known reasons, but also because of the delivery. Let's just take a minute to appreciate Zara's delivery. Like, I get my order in 3-4 days even in these times, which is crazy, and their return is hassle-free. You don't have to worry how much time will it take, how much days will it take for them to refund your money. If you don't like something, just go onto their app, place a request, and the very next day an executive will be at your doorstep to collect the order, and you will get your money in 10 to 12 days, which is amazing. Now the best thing about today's haul is, like, I got a bunch of things, but the most expensive thing that I got today is for 1490. Like, how amazing can it get? How better it can get, right? So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. It is going to be again a try on haul, same old. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Now, I did not get a lot of accessories, but I did get one, and this is this beautiful mushroom necklace. When I saw it on the website, I thought it is going to be a tad bit smaller than what it is, but I don't mind this, and I think this will just amp up any basic outfit. So yeah, that's that. And I think it was for 1190 and I got it for 590. Now, I do really enjoy wearing a lot of basic stuff. So when I was on their website, I mean on their app, I saw there were a lot of ribbed tops, which, you know, you could wear in all weather. So that's what I got. I got this beautiful orange color rib top. It is sleeveless, so I can wear it in summers, and I can also layer it up and wear it with my jackets or, you know, things like that in winter. And yes, but let's just appreciate the color. How beautiful is this color? And I love this top so much that I actually got it in another color. Now, this was originally for 1590 and I got it for 990. The second color that I have in the previous top is this beautiful beige top. I think this is very basic but very chic. This will look really nice with a lot of things. It will look nice with jeans, it will look nice with pants, trousers, skirts. You can also wear this to office because of this color. This is in this beautiful neutral beige sort of color, and again the price is 990. So yeah. The third thing that I have with me is this top. Again, this is in the same material, the ribbed material, but it has a zip in front. You can wear it as low and as high you like, and this color is a little darker than the previous top, but I think this looks really nice. I've actually posted a picture, I mean not a picture, but I made a video on my Instagram. So if you want to see how it looks, you can actually go on my Instagram and see that for yourself. And yeah, again the price of this was 1790 and I got it for 990. Now the next thing that I have with me is this beautiful lilac lavender you know, color. I think this top screams summer, but I did try this top and it's a little tad loose on me. Maybe if I can get these straps adjusted, I think this will, you know, just to make it stay where it should, I think this will look really nice. But yeah, this is beautiful. I love the color, and I always wanted, because, you know, this color is doing rounds on the internet, so I thought that I should also give into the trend and get myself a top in this beautiful color, and I did, and I'm really happy. And this was actually very cheap. Now the original price is 1590 and I got it for 590, which is great, right? Which is pretty nice. Now, since we were talking about basic stuff and things which will look nice in winter, I got myself this turtleneck in this beautiful color. I mainly got it because of this color, because I thought, you know, it is on sale and, you know, it will look nice, the color is amazing, and just get it. So I got it. This is in a very beautiful, the material is super soft, and yeah, so this was for 1890 and I got it for 790. And if you go onto their app, you will see that the model who is wearing the top is actually wearing this bralette over it. And the main reason that I got this, because I thought that I can layer it up. I mean, I can wear it on a white shirt, I can wear it with the you know, the turtleneck. So I got this, and again, this is beautiful. This bralette looks really beautiful. I haven't tried it on, but I think even if this is a little risque, I can layer it up with a lot of things. Yeah. And this was for 1290. I got it for 790. And as I said, that when I was buying that bralette, I thought that I will wear it over an oversized white shirt. That is the main reason. That is the sole reason why I got this white oversized shirt from Zara. This is pretty basic, nothing fancy. It's oversized. It has this beautiful button, and yeah. So I think that's why I got it. Now this was originally for 2790, and I got this again for 990. Now the next thing that I have with me is this beautiful black mini skirt. It's not ironed properly, so you can't tell how it actually looks. It has these two huge strands which you can tie into a bow, and I actually saw it in somebody's haul. I don't remember who, but I remember seeing it in somebody's haul, and then I saw it on the app, and I thought that, you know, I will also get it because it looked really nice. And yeah, so I think it will look really nice with a lot of things that I own. Now this was again for 2790, and I got for 990. So yeah. We are actually coming towards the end of the haul. The second last thing that I have with me is this beautiful black slip dress. I obviously have a lot of black dresses, but I never owned a black slip dress, and I thought, you know, you can pair it up with a lot of things, so I got this one, and it was also very cheap. I think this was for 1790, and I got it for 790, which is, my god, I just realized that it was for 790. And yeah, it also has this beautiful detailing here, ruching, and you can of course adjust it the way you like. So it is going to look really pretty, I think. The last thing that I have with me in today's haul is again a black dress, and I think this is my most favorite out of all. This is this beautiful flared, very loose dress. This looks really flirty. This is a perfect dress for you know, for going out, for brunches, and it's just really pretty. I'm in love with this dress. I have actually again posted a video in this dress. You can head on to my Instagram and check that out. But it just looks really pretty. I think it's very, very beautiful. This was for 2790, and this is the most expensive item in this haul. This was for 1490, which is again a steal, right? This dress for 1490 is amazing. It's beautiful. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments which was your favorite item in this haul. Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will just take a second, but would mean the world to me. Also, do let me know what you would like me to do next on my channel, because I have another haul coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.